In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet and Wrike using an integration tool. If you want your project information to move automatically between these two platforms, this setup can save time, reduce manual updates, and help keep your team aligned. The overall idea is simple. You'll use an integration platform like Zapier, Make, Unito, or a similar connector to watch for changes in Smartsheet and then send that information into Wrike. To begin, open your integration tool of choice. The exact layout may look a little different depending on the platform you use, but the process is generally very similar across all of them. Once you're inside, start creating a new automation workflow or scenario depending on what your tool calls it. Next, choose Smartsheet as one of the apps in the workflow. This tells the integration platform where the data will come from. After that, choose Wrike as the other app. This sets the destination for the information, so data from Smartsheet can be sent directly into Wrike. Now it's time to define the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. For example, you might choose something like a new row being added in Smartsheet or an existing item being updated. Think carefully about what should cause the sync to happen, because this determines when information moves from one system to the other. After selecting the trigger, choose the action in Wrike. This is what the integration should do once the trigger happens. A common option is to create a new task in Wrike, but you may also choose to update an existing task instead. The right choice depends on whether you want to build new work items automatically or keep current ones in sync. Once the trigger and action are set, map your Smartsheet columns to the appropriate Wrike fields. This is one of the most important parts of the setup because it controls how information is transferred. For example, a task name in Smartsheet should match the task title field in Wrike, and status, due dates, or assignees should be mapped to the most relevant destination fields. Take your time here and double check that each field lines up logically. Finally, test the integration and confirm that the data syncs correctly. Run a sample through the workflow and review the result in Wrike to make sure everything appears where you expect it. If something looks off, adjust the mapping and test again until it works smoothly. Once your test is successful, your Smartsheet and Wrike integration is ready to support a more efficient workflow.